gathered at Prayagraj in Uttar Pradesh to take a holy dip at Triveni Sangam during the Mahakumbh Mela. The Mahakumbh Mela that began on January 13 is a 45-day religious event and it will conclude on February 26. It has already attracted a vast crowd from across India as well as the whole globe. On January 14, the Mela marked its first Amrit Snan on Makar Sankranti, with seers from various akhadas dipping into the confluence of Ganga, Yamuna and the mythical Saraswati river. Now, among the first to participate were Sri Panchayati Akhada Mahanirvani and Sri Shambhu Panchayati Atal Akhada. But how did these akhadas originate and what are the different types of akhadas? Let's go through this. I am Shivangi and you are watching India TV. The akhadas are spiritual sects with warrior roots. These are central to the Kumbh Mela. Seers from these akhadas traditionally take the first dip during an elaborate procession to the Sangam, which is known as Shahi Snan. The origin of these akhadas dates back to the 8th century when it was founded by Adi Shankaracharya. So the term akhadas basically refers to wrestling arenas, and these groups were initially formed to defend Hinduism. They have now grown into key spiritual organizations. There are 13 recognized akhadas and they are divided by belief systems such as those that follow Lord Shiva or Lord Vishnu. In 2019, the Kinnar Akhada, which represents transgender saints, was added to the Shahi Snan order, marking a move towards inclusivity. These akhadas are highly revered in Hinduism and they continue to play a vital role in preserving rituals and shaping spiritual discourse, especially during the Kumbh Mela, which remains a significant event for millions of devotees. So were you aware of this information or not? Do comment and let us know. Till then, keep watching India TV.